Subscribe Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel and press that bell icon and never miss an update. Hello 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to Shubham Raj Singh and Co YouTube channel. So today we'll be going to see about Google Slides. Okay. So we are already gone through Google Forms, Google Docs and Google Sheet in the previous videos. And today we'll be going to see all about Google Slide. This will be a walkthrough video of Google Slides. This will be not an in-depth video of Google Slide explaining each and every feature. Okay, so let's get started. So first, all you have to do is open a new tab and search for slides and enter it. You can see the first result, that is Google Slides free online presentations for personal use. You have to click it here, and once you are here you have to click on go to Google Slides, and if you are not already logged in, you have to log in order to proceed further. Okay, so this is the Google Slide dashboard, same as any Google product like Google Excel, Google Sheets, Google Docs and Google Forms. So here it is. So here are the different template. You can choose any of any one of this template if you want. Okay, so you can also see more template by visiting template library, and you can see that there are personal, general presentation, maybe a yearbook, recipe showcase, work, and you have a like ton of option here. Okay, and you can also create your own template. However, what I always do with any Google product is I will create a blank document. So I will be going forward and proceeding with the blank slides. So I will click on blank, and this is all we get for Google Slide. It is same as Google Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, the only difference is this is online and that Microsoft PowerPoint will be offline. So you can see here that the same, you get the add title in the subtitle bar. You can delete it, okay, or you can maybe enter it, maybe something Shubham like subscribe to Shubham Raj Singh and oh, okay, and this is the subtitle, so I will keep it in between. So yeah, so you can see here you can choose themes. Okay, so I don't use themes, but if I want to select, I will just select one for you. So I will select this thing. Okay, so this is the theme which I selected. This is not looking good. I will go back to like default only. No need of choosing theme. If you want, you can choose any other theme. Okay, so I will close this theme. So we will be seeing features from left to right. Okay, so first we will be seeing the, what we can say, the toolbar. Okay, so starting from this, so this is when you want to create a new slide, means new slide. Okay, so this is basically a slide which you created, a document which is slides, means PowerPoint. Okay, so if you want to add another slide, you have to just click over new slide and it will be created here. So, and you can do it as much as you want. Okay, so in that you can also choose the format, like what type of slide do you want. So I will just delete it because I don't need it. Okay, the second is the undo, the third is the redo, and undo redo is the like the most common thing. Okay, you can also print it and it will print for you. So we are done with the print and paint format. I yeah. So what is paint format? I don't know what uh, this paint format is. Okay, I don't know what this feature exactly does. So you have a paint format feature as well. You can zoom the page. You can do it to 200. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can select like you can use this selector tool. You can add a text box. Okay, you can insert images which you can upload from computer. You can search on the web. You can use image on your drive. You can use an image on your photos. You can add image by URL, or you can directly take a live picture of anything from your computer or webcam. The other one is a shape. Shape is if you want to create some shape like rectangle or some other thing, you can do that. You can add arrows, you can call outs, you can add equations and much more. This is the line. You can choose a line, arrow, maybe elbow connector, curve, polyline, scribble, and all upon you. You can add comment. You can also choose the background. You can change the background. Like if I want to change the background to this, if I want to select an image for the background, it will be done. Okay. Uh, you can also, so just a second, let me just do this quickly and then I will select this and we'll go further. So we are done with the background. You can select the layout. Okay, you can select the theme. You can use the transition is the effect in motion. So I will select this subtitle, and now you can see there are a lot of options here. So you can fill the what we can say, the color, fill the color of this uh, this is fill color. You can fill the color of the background of the subtitle. So I will do something like this. You can see it. Okay, you can also choose the border color. So I will choose a border color of this. You can see it. You may be hardly seeing it, don't worry. I will just change it to something red. Now you can see it. So you can also choose the border width. If I do it 24 pixel, now you can definitely see it. Okay, you can also choose the border style, maybe a dotted one, a dash one, a dash dotted, a long dash dotted. So it's all your choice. Okay, you can choose the font, you can choose the size, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, you can make it underline, you can change the text color, you can also use the highlight color. Okay, you can insert the link, insert the comment, as you can use the alignment in order to align this thing in between, in mid, at top, at bottom. You can also use this thing like this is the distance between two lines. You can use any of the distance. Now it is set to single. You can do a bullet point, numerical bullet point, and alphanumerical bullet point. Here you can do a bullet point with a symbolic bullet point. You can shift the anything like decrease the indent. You can increase the indent, and this is the clear formatting. If I do it, everything will be undo, like the format will be undo. not everything, last thing which you have done. You can also choose the format, position, text filtering, drop shadow, reflection. That's it. You can also do animation. Okay, you can animate the thing, maybe a fade in or something like that. It's all depend on you. Okay, so we are done with the top bar toolbar. Okay, so let's get started from file. Okay, so we have not yet entered any title for this presentation, so I will demo slides to teach is the name of my this document. Let's get started with file tab. So share tab is same. When you want to share it with someone in your group or maybe publicly with a link, okay, or you want to add someone as the owner of this editor of this document, you can do that from share or from here. You can create a new presentation, a blank presentation, or a form template. You can create document, spreadsheet, form, drawing. You can open a PowerPoint directly by uploading it to Google Slides, or you can open a Google Slide from your drive. You can import slides. You can make a copy of entire presentation or selected slides. You can email it to someone. You can download it in this all this particular format. You can make this available offline. You can see the version history and you can name the current version. You can rename the name of this document. You can move it to a particular folder in your drive. You can add shortcut to your drive. You can move it to trash. You can publish to web. You can see the document detail. You can choose the language. You can see the page setup. You can print a setting and preview. You can also print as we already go. In the edit tab, there is nothing much. You can undo, you can redo, you can cut, copy, paste, paste without formatting, delete duplicate selector, and find and replace. In view, there is one new thing which is present. Okay, when you click on present from here or maybe from here, this is the like a full screen thing, like same as PowerPoint. So for PowerPoint you do Control 5. Here also you can do Control 5, or you can click on present from here or maybe present from here. So what happens when you click on present is it will be entered into a full screen mode. Okay, if I do a play motion, maybe there is some kind of animation I selected by mistake. Yeah, I selected a animation by mistake, fade in or something, whatever. So this is the thing. You can go back by clicking exit here, or you can uh, press the escape button. Okay, so where it is view, yeah. So you can also select the motion. You can edit the motion. What is the master thing? Okay. Oh, so master is something very advanced, a hierarchy of something. You can do it a document of like having a different levels. Okay, so you can do that with master thing within the view. You can also see it in a grid view. So grid view is nothing but you will see a slide in a grid view thing. Okay, but I don't suggest grid view. You can zoom the document, zoom in, zoom out, whatever. You can show the ruler like this ruler, or you can disable the ruler. Where it is, you can use the guide, you can show guide, you can see the guides, you can add vertical guide, add horizontal guide, you can edit the guide, and you can also clear the guides. You can snap to grids or guides. Okay, you can show speaker notes. You can enter full screen mode, which is same as present. So done with view tab. So let's go in insert tab. Insert tab, you can insert image, you can upload it from computer, you can search from the web drive, photo by URL, by camera. You can enter add text box, insert text box. This is the text box which we inserted. You can insert audio, you can insert video, you can insert shapes, you can insert table. Okay, 20 is the limitation over here. Okay, so you can maybe after adding you can change it, but from here you can select only 28 to 20 matrix. You can insert the chart, bar, column, line, pie, and you can also use sheets and insert it here. You can insert diagram, you can insert word art, you can insert line, ray or arrow, whatever. You can insert also a special character, you can insert animation, you can insert link, you can insert comment, you can insert a new slide, and slide numbers you can give it definitely. You can also add placeholders. So with format tab, there is select this thing. Yeah. So you can make the text bold, italic, and all that default thing, subscript, superscript, and all the default thing. You can align it left, right, center, whatever, top, middle. You can choose the line spacing, which is I already covered in the toolbar section. Okay, you can make it bullet, numbered bullet, maybe alphanumeric, or you can use the symbolic bullet points. You can add that. You can if there was a table, this will be enabled, and you can choose the table format as well. You can clear the formatting. You can format the border color, border lines, border weight, and all that thing, border decoration, border dash. And you can also choose the format option. What is format option? Okay, so format option will be appearing here. Not the same thing, all the same thing. And there is a new tab here, which is a slide tab. Slides tab will help you to get a new slide, duplicate the current slide, or maybe any of the slide in your presentation. You can delete slide, you can skip slide, you can also move slide, you can change the background, you can apply a layout, you can use the transition, you can edit the master, you can change the theme. Okay, and there is this another new tab which is arrange. Let me select something. So now you can see it. You can change the order. You can bring it to front, you can bring it to forward, you can send it backwards, send to back. It is already back, that's why this is not popping out. So you can, if you do it like front, now there's a possibility send backwards, send to back. Okay, you can also do alignment, distribute. You can use the center of the page horizontally and vertically. You can rotate it, you can group and ungroup it, and that's it in the arrange tab. In tools tab there is a spell checker, and the personal dictionary, and the underline error is showing Shubham Raj is a error because Shubham Raj is not a common name. Okay, you can also use explore tab, which is here also. Linked object, you can dictionary, you can use question and answer history. You can also do a voice type, speaker notes. You can also add code. You can see the preferences. You can set the accessibility settings, and that's it for the tool. And add-ons is when you add any of the add-ons right from here, and by clicking it here, there are multiple tons of add-ons available for each and every Google products. Okay, you can say it here. Let's close it. Okay, so you can also go to help. You can see the slides help, you can see the training, you can updates, you can see the updates. You can help slides improve by giving feedback. You can report abuse or copyright. You can see the privacy policy, terms of services, and keyword shortcuts. Keyword shortcuts will be same as the Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have any experience with Microsoft PowerPoint, then there will be nothing to worry about. And that's it. That's almost everything I covered in this video. Also, you can see it in a grid view from here, list view from here. Okay, this is the notification tab. When someone comment, you will get a notification here. and this is the present tab, control F, full screen mode, present from the beginning, present to another screen. If you want to present it on a bigger screen, you can do it. And share is the same. When you want to share it with someone, you can share it in a group of people, like a group with a custom domain name with your organization custom domain name, or anyone with the link. So that's pretty much everything about the Google Slides, and we are done with Google Docs, Google Forms, Google Sheets, and now with Google Slides. So if you have not watched the other Google product videos like Docs, Sheets, and the Form, I'll be giving a link in the description, as well as I will be also giving information tab, okay, maybe in between of the video, in this video. So I hope that you like this video, and now you can create now you are able to create your first ever Google slide document on the internet without any hesitation. So thank you very much for watching. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, and take care. Bye bye.